बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn exercise 4.7 question number 1 plus part 5 class 9 math chapter number 4 factorization Sindh Board. So we are going to learn synthetic division method and also the book answers and the steps are written. Now we have step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Understood? So first of all we read the question. Px is equal to x power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x minus 1 by x plus 2. Understood? So the first step is write table. Here we will make our table. Then this, no third, sorry second, place multiplier to left hand side. First of all this x plus 2 is equal to 0 will become, you know, this is equal to and the 0 are hidden. Okay, so x is equal to this plus 2 will become here. So this will become minus 2 and this minus 2 called multiplier. Understood? So the minus 2 will become here and we will remove this. Understood now? Now I am removing it. Now third is place coefficient after multiplier. So first of all, first coefficient 1, minus 1, plus 1, then minus 1. Place constant to right hand side. So minus 1 will become here. Place first coefficient below first coefficient. So here will become 1 as it is down. Multiply with first coefficient and right answer below second coefficient. Minus plus here, minus 2 ones are 2. So you know minus plus. So the minus, sorry. 7th add subtract. So the minus, but we will do plus. So minus 3 will be come here. 8. First answer is minus 3. This is correct. This is first answer. I tell you now. This one is not first answer. Now we are going to step 2. First of all multiply minus 2 with minus 3. Minus plus 2 3s are 6. Plus you know. So here will become plus 7. Done this. Now write answer below third coefficient. Done this. Now add subtract. Plus a plus. So simple mean we will do the plus. So the answer will become 7. Fourth, second answer is 7. Correct. The second answer is our 7. Now let's go ahead and come to the step number 3. First of all multiply with minus 2 with 7. Minus plus minus 7 2s are 14. So right answer below fourth coefficient. Done this. Then add subtract. Minus, but we will do plus. 14 plus 1, simple answer. Come 15. So third answer is minus 15. Third answer is minus 15. Correct. Now let's go ahead as step number 4. First of all multiply minus 2 with 15 and right answer. So here will come minus plus and here will come so the here will become 30. Okay, then below constant minus 1. Done this. Now add subtract. Minus plus or minus 30 minus 1. Simple answer is 29. So 29 is remainder. Correct. So our remainder is 29. Book answers are written. You can check it. First of all, remainder is equal to 21. 29, remainder is equal to 29. But still, our question is not solved. The question is saying to find the quotient and remainder. We have found on the remainder. We are going to find the quotient, and the step 5 is remaining also. First of all, find quotient qx by taking number as coefficient below bottom line. Understood? Second, find value of qx by using variable px degree less than 1. Now I will do the rough work. First of all, these 3 will become here. 1 minus 3 and 7. 7 is equal to 7 will be 7 and minus 15 will come as it is. So minus 15 is equal to minus 15 will be come here. Understood? First of all, this set we are to less than 1 degree. So here come x power 4. So here will come x cube is equal to x cube. Here come x cube. So here will become x square is equal to minus 3x square. And here come x square, simple mean here will come x, 7x. Now we have found this. So the x cube minus 3x square plus 7x and minus 15 we have found it. We have done the rough work. Now we are going to remove it. You have noted now. Can I remove it? Yes, remove it. So here will become qx is equal to first of all here will become x cube, then minus 3 x square plus 7 x minus 15. Done this, and this is our second answer. So the book answers are written. You can check it. Qx is equal to x cube minus 3 x square, x cube minus 3 x square plus 7x minus 15 plus 7x minus 15. Okay. No subscribe, no like, only share.